Hey, William. How you feeling? Billy's a little drunk right now. You want to tell the folks why you're drunk, William? Want to tell everybody why you're drunk? No? You show everybody your drunk face? Say, my name's Billy, and this is my drunk face. You show everybody your new haircut, William? Uh-oh, nice boots. What about the rest of it, Bill? You gonna show us? Or you just gonna stand there and be drunk? There's my little white spot. That's a vaccine scar. This is a place where you don't give cats vaccines, between the shoulder blades. Vaccine scar can happen anywhere, but it's not the place you want to vaccinate a cat. Nice tail, William. You awake? Okay. Oh, Fred. Freddy, don't growl at him. It's not very nice. Freddy, don't make me kick you across the room on camera. All right, William.